Alright folks, let's play what's in the bag. I'll probably do one big video. What's in the bag? First I got a rubber mat that I left in my car. I was tearing apart the Big Red. You know what? The hell, let's do the Monday update first. What's new? If you haven't seen already, I tore apart some more of the Big Red. Got to get the rear swing arm off. Got to get a torch to torch some bolts. I'm in the process of buying some replacement nuts just in case those tear apart. Cut the forks off, change the tire out. The other bike, I'm gonna need a tire changer and a new front tire for this one. My goal is to get the rear swing arm off as soon as possible, tear off the back end, put it back together. Actually, I might not even tear off the back end. I might just take it off, repaint it, media block, clean off the frame, and maybe just paint parts that need to be cleaned or repainted, because just the back end, there's not a lot of it really. It's mostly where the seats were, so that I'm going to take care of. Still haven't moved the garage yet. I'm still waiting for the process to continue. There's the whole thing going on and we got to wait, so that's on hold at the moment. Pretty much just working on some things, trying to get the sandblaster together. Got to get this bike out of the way, so you'll see some more videos. Kind of at the end of the, I really didn't I actually had one day this week that, or a couple, by the time you see it, it'll be a couple of weeks, I didn't have a video up. So if you notice that, well, you might see some shorts, but that's it. So I'm getting to the end where I actually got to make more videos and more videos to keep up with you. But there's no problem with that. I have enough work to do to make several videos a week at least, so keep you amused on my channel. Not much else really. I bought a couple of new tools because I was fed up with looking for metric wrenches, so I went over to Boulder and picked up some ratchets and stuff, but I'll show you in the next video. So not a whole lot, just picked a few things and there you go. So anyway, I feel like, I've achieved 1,301 subscribers. Yeah, I never thought I'd get there. Had a couple of videos hit the jackpot, got the algorithm going, so that was good. If anybody who just recently subscribed to my channel, thanks for watching. You're awesome. Thanks for helping out a teeny weeny channel. If anybody got any good channel recommendations for, like, just random stuff to watch. I like watching YouTube videos. It's better than freaking regular TV and crap. So it's nothing on TV. I like some. It seems like people on YouTube are doing real things. You watch TV and it's like, it's either a propaganda or La La Land. So, or some bullshit rich people with no talent. So anyway, like I said, mostly trying to get the bike out of the way. I had a video coming up in a couple, which you'll probably see by the time you see this, of me tearing the you probably have seen it, me taking the forks off it. Oh, the swing arm, the rear end. My hope is to get the frame painted, the engine mounted back in, maybe clean up the engine, put the rear swing arm on, put the rear end back on, put the front forks back on, and then get it to a rolling chassis and start putting it back together. And if you know anything about what I did, is I bought an emotional support bike to go with this one, so mostly emotionally, so I could support myself, figure out how to put this one back together. Well, I do. I'll probably sell it when I'm done with it and keep this one. I really wanted an 86. So, I might have two 85s and one 86. Because one for my daughter who stole my emotional support bike. This one will be for me, and the 86 will be for the other kid. And I'll have to got 4 kids. I'll have to get 4 of them. I'll have to get an 85, 86, and find me a rare 87. So if you got an 87 three-wheeler you want to sell me, cheap, I don't care what condition it is. I'll just put some aftermarket fenders on it and make it look pretty. Anyway, enough babbling. Thanks for subscribing. Click the like button, click the subscribe button. Tell me how you like my channel, and stay tuned. I got a lot more coming.